Hey guys, I'm very disappointed for this night. I failed my first quiz in criminal law. Yung effort na, grabe yung effort mo, magbasa 4 hours lang ng tulog. Hindi pa pala sapat. It's not enough. Really. Hindi man lang ako sobrang layo. Grabe guys. I was pressured by the time. Naubos yung oras ko. Kasi 3 beses ako umulit ng sagot. Sayang. I made mistakes. Di ako makamove on guys. Baba ng score ko. First quiz namin. Iwan ko lang yung second quiz namin kanina. Kung anong maging result nun. Sakit sa ulo.